It's been a pretty temperate Tuesday, I would say.
This is the last of kind of the summer run we've been on.
Yeah.
I think we're going to be settling into a fall reality, and that doesn't mean that we won't have any more warm days, but I think 80s are going to be tough to come by.
Is it going to be like a serious reality check tomorrow in terms of like
not so
fall?
much tomorrow.
Okay.
More so Thursday. Tomorrow's kind of like the slide into what's coming.
Slide. Okay.
Yeah, but I wanted to start with this. These are the dew points, and they're up there a little bit. So it's maybe a touch humid in spots right now. And it's also pretty mild out for this hour of the night, where it's 69 in Portland, 74 in Freiburg, and even Caribou is at 71. We have a southerly wind out ahead of the cold front that will come through for most of us tomorrow morning. Out ahead of that, a few showers, mainly in central Maine, a few spot sprinkles elsewhere. But for the most part, the rain over the next few hours will be traveling into northern Maine. The rest of us will wait on the rain that's back with the cold front to the west, and there's a band of it that will come through. For most of us, it's tomorrow morning, but again, some of those showers will be up north through the evening hours. So you can see that here. It's a very mild night. The temperatures don't drop a whole lot ahead of that front. So tomorrow morning, we're waking up, most of us, to temperatures in the 60s, and the rain that will be moving through the area. Could be a few downpours briefly tomorrow morning. I don't think it's a lot of total rain. It's really just a few hours of rain that will come through. And you can see at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning where the front is. It's by that point coming through Lewiston. So north and west of there, it's turning cooler, but it's still fairly mild along the coastline. At the coast, I think we're cloudy and damp through about midday. And then in the afternoon, there may be some late day sun, but it probably never makes it to eastern Maine. The clearing there won't settle in until late in the day and into tomorrow night. In terms of total rainfall, I think about a half an inch to an inch is still a pretty good bet, but there could be a few areas that pick up over an inch, which would certainly be a good thing. We'll take everything that we can get out of this. Mentioned tomorrow's kind of transition, because then we get into the cooler air mass by Thursday. Thursday morning we'll have 30s north, 40s south, but the temperatures don't go up much at all Thursday afternoon. We'll have sunny to partly cloudy skies with temperatures for most of us that only are between 50 and 55 on Thursday, and that's going to come with a gusty northerly wind. So it'll have a little bit of a bite to the air on Thursday. Friday the wind's lighter, but in the morning it's colder. So I think we'll have 20s in some inland spots. 30s everywhere else. Pretty widespread frost Friday morning, but with lots of sunshine, we're back up to between 55 and 60. Saturday looks pretty good, low 60s, and then we're watching this storm to the south. How far north will it come Sunday into Monday? Two models to show you here. The majority of our information keeps it fairly far south of us. But there is one model that creeps some showers in Sunday night into Monday morning. So we've still got to watch that, and that's why we have watching that low in the Monday forecast. But again, tomorrow we start the day with rain, then we clear out in the afternoon. Temperatures don't rise a whole lot through the day, and in fact, they start falling by late tomorrow afternoon. Brisk and chilly for Thursday, a frosty morning on Friday, 20s inland, low 30s at the coast. Saturday I like. It's cool in the morning, but the afternoon's mild, mid-60s, and then probably at least some clouds that come in Sunday into Monday. We'll have to see if we can get any rain from that system to the south. And obviously, Bailey, we'd like the rain, but it's a holiday weekend. People have outdoor plans. At this point, I think more clouds Sunday into Monday is a good bet, but the rain's close, but not here yet.
Yeah. I will mention, you mentioned humidity at the top of your weather. My hair is a little frizzy tonight, so definitely an indicator of humidity, but we are going to proceed with our regularly scheduled programming. Anyway, yep.